Who's the happy baby? Who's the happy baby? Is that Cordy? We just got dressed and now we're having a conversation. She's looking up at her mural and she likes it. Don't you, baby? Cordy! Baby. He's a happy baby. Happy baby, big baby. Cordy! Happy baby. Tell us how happy you are. How happy is Cordy? She's pretty happy. Say Mama loves Cordy. And Cordy loves Mama. Yeah. Who's a happy baby? Who's that, Cordy? Who's the happy baby? She says, that's me. And the happy baby. Yeah? Then what happened? Really? You don't say. She says, I'm gonna try and sit up. Not so much. Cordy, Mama loves you. Mama loves the baby girl. Oh. Yeah. We're happy. Happy baby. What do you have to be happy about? Mama's home today. Yay! And Daddy's home this morning. Yeah, and tomorrow we see Aunt Krista. This is the best baby in the world. Right here. Happy baby. Happy baby. Happy baby. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Okay, Cordy, we're going to go finish getting dressed, okay? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.